Hi, welcome to the demo of SmartFolders. This software will help us in improving business processes and bringing efficiency in work. This is the interface of SmartFolders. On the left-hand side, we have the folder structure, and these are the commands to execute different features or functions related to folders. For instance, add, edit, delete, rename, move, email a folder, etc. On the right-hand side, these are the documents within a particular folder, and these are various commands to execute features or functions related to documents. For example, view, edit, delete, email a document, etc. What we generally do is that we study the business processes of the organization where Smart Folders is going to be installed. And after discussion with the client, we create the folder structure. As an example, this is the folder structure of an organization. Now I will give you a walkthrough of the folder structure of ABC organization. These are the various departments of ABC organization: accounts, administration, finance, HR, IT, to name a few. Within the administration department, we have assets management, general office management, maintenance, security, and transport. Within transport, we have attendance, car fleet, duty rosters, and staff job description. In the car fleet, we have the drivers, fleet details, insurance, repair and maintenance, and taxes. Within insurance, there is year-wise data 2020, 2021, and 2022. Here, we can save all the documents related to insurance of all the cars owned by the organization. In the HR department, we have HR manual, HR recruitment, HR admin matters, employee relations, training and development, appraisals, and levers. Within the folder recruitment, we have job postings, applications and CVs, selection and joining. In job postings, we have year-wise data 2020, 2021, and 2022. Within 2022, we have arranged all the job postings department-wise. In the accounts department, we have two documents: hiring accounts officers and hiring accounts manager. We are going to open hiring accounts officers, which is already stored here. If we want to edit this document and create a new version, we will do it like this. If multiple team members are working on a single document, everyone will access this document, work on it, and create a new version. Every person in the organization will have access to every document from this central repository or vault. It has both types of storage options: local host as well as cloud storage. Remote workers and offices will have the same access to all the documents as if they were in the corporate office. Smart Folders is extremely secure. It has extensive roles and functions at the system level as well as at the database level. We can create individual users with different rights as well as user groups with particular set of rights assigned to a group. These are the roles or rights that can be given at system level, and these are the ones that can be given at the database level. It has excellent functionality of access controls. It is up to the system administrator or the top decision maker of the organization as to what folder a person will have access to, whether to give access to a person to view, edit, or delete. Similarly, access control will be defined at the document level. The top man has to decide which document a particular person can view, edit, or delete. Another point is that all versions of a particular document remain in smart folders, and any person who has to work on a particular document, he or she will have to create a new version. Smart folders has extensive search function. This is the basic search bar. For example, we write the name of an employee, Sarah, over here. Now, with the name of Sarah, there can be hundreds of documents. Let's say 300 documents are displayed over here. Obviously, we cannot find our relevant document with this search. What we do is, in the basic search bar, we add the word finance. Now our search narrows down from 300 to say 50 documents. If we write another word, 2022, in the basic search bar, we might have, say, 3 or 4 documents. It is now easy to find our relevant document. In the advanced search feature, we have to define certain parameters, for example, the exact date or the date range when it was created, who created it, and whom it was addressed to, if the document being searched was a letter or correspondence, who was the author of the document, etc. What the search function will do, it will match all the criteria in the database and will bring up the required document with given filters. Another feature is that we can monitor the work done by any of our team members. What this software does is that it creates a user log of time in and time out, folders and documents accessed, and versions created of a document. If we view the log of a particular user, we will exactly know how much has he or she worked during the day. We can directly email a document or a folder to anyone from SmartFolders. If we select a document and click this link, Microsoft Outlook will open and the document will be emailed to the person. We can also create a client portal. For example, one of our vendors is AJ Traders. We want AJ Traders to put a particular document in a particular folder. We can give access to that particular folder in our database to a team member of AJ Traders, and he or she will place all the information required by us in that particular folder. The effect of all of the above will be that you will virtually have a paperless office with very little stationary costs and physical storage space requirements. This brings us to the end of our demo. Thank you for your time and patience.